Can you play me a song?
Thank you.
Which one?
Mary Had a Little Lamb?
Okay. Mary had a little. We're married. Had a little lamb.
Look for a picture of a sheep.
Mary.
Yes. Do you want up? Felix is going to play a song for us.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Oh, this is Home on the Range.
No. He just eat it.
Do some record scratching? There's Wilbert walking. Good job, buddy.
Talking to it. You have to push this part up. See this stick? See here?
Careful, Wilbert. Whoa.
Let's jam again later.
It's way better than hanging out with cousins.
Wilbur touched this, Daddy.
Did he touch
I
it?
told
That's
you
okay.
You was gonna touch it if you brought it out.
It's okay. You can let him push one button, maybe.
I have to put it away now.
Oh,
Goodbye.
that's too bad.
Well, that. Whoa! You missed a little walk. Wilbur took a run.
Wilbert, were you walking? I'm gonna get you climbing up your little routine here.
He just yelled at me because the chair wasn't close enough. He got there and he's like, ah!
He hates it because he's fallen into a hole there before. And he really yells.
You're putting stuff inside the track? What is this, Wilbert? What's this? What's this? What's that?
Yeah.